Hey everyone, welcome back to Coin World Explorer. Today we're talking about a tiny coin that could surprise you in a big way. The 2018 Germany 5 euro cent coin. Now I know what you're thinking. It's just 5 cents. How could it be worth $58? Well, stay with me because some of these coins have sold for much more than face value. And I'm going to show you exactly why. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also tell you how to check if you might have one worth serious money. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the basics. The 2018 Germany 5 euro cent coin. Country, Germany. Year 2018. Denomination, 5 euro cent. Metal, copper-plated steel. Weight, 3.92 grams. Diameter, 21.25 millimeters. Edge, smooth. On the front, you'll see the Brandenburg Gate, one of Germany's most famous landmarks. On the back, you'll see the large number 5 with the word euro cent. It looks simple, but small details make a big difference. Now here's where things get interesting. Germany doesn't just have one mint. It has 5. Each coin has a small mint letter under the year. A Berlin, D Munich, F Stuttgart, G Karlsruhe, J Hamburg. Some mint marks are harder to find than others depending on production numbers. Collectors often pay more for lower mintage coins, especially in high grades. So first thing you need to do is check that tiny letter. It can mean money. Now let's talk about the big question. How can a 5-cent coin be worth $58? Here are the main reasons. Keycap 1 perfect condition, uncirculated / MS grade. Coins graded MS 67, MS 68, or higher by professional grading companies can sell for $30 to $60 or even more. Condition is everything. If your coin has no scratches, full shine, no wear, strong details, it could be valuable. Keycap 2 error coins. This is where things get exciting. Some 2018 Germany 5-cent coins have errors like off-center strikes, double strikes, die cracks, misalignment, weak strikes, wrong planchet errors. Error coins are rare. Rare equals valuable. Collectors love error coins. Keycap 3 low population in high grades. Even though millions were made, very few survive in perfect condition. That's why certified high-grade coins can reach $50 to $58 or more in online auctions. Here's what you should do right now. Step 1. Check the year. Make sure it says 2018. Step 2. Look for the mint letter. Step 3. Examine the coin under bright light. Step 4. Look for errors. Step 5. Compare recently sold listings on auction sites. Don't just look at asking prices, check sold prices. That tells you the real market value. If your coin looks perfect, you may consider professional grading. But remember, grading costs money. Only send it if it looks nearly flawless. Now let's be real for a second. Most 2018 Germany 5 euro cent coins are worth exactly 5 cents. The $58 value usually applies to certified high-grade examples, rare mint condition coins, verified mint errors. So don't expect every coin to be a jackpot. But always check, because hidden treasures are found every day. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever found a valuable coin in your change? Drop a comment below and tell me what you found. And if you have a 2018 Germany 5-cent coin, go check it right now and come back and tell me the mint mark. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Subscribe to Coin World Explorer for more hidden coin values, rare finds, and coin collecting tips. And remember, sometimes the smallest coins carry the biggest surprises. I'll see you in the next exploration.